Okay, what's up? 95.1 your Shook Mouth station. We tell you say we they bring through somebody right now. Na when be saying a senior man, so when be say they come with senior doings as
they tell you the fully scatter.
The
guy fat scatter.
Oh, they go beat, but I go tell you say
beat me with the dollars.
If they follow doings and characteristics of people where be say they don't day for inside music industry all the way. All the Baki W, all the Ike Shuku, all the Neto C. Then you supposed to know the man when be say you run them. Obi Asika.
You in fact the boss himself scattered the bottom of the vice chairman of the Blue Ribbon panel of the waiting Afro-Beat Hall of Fame.
You too Russia. Afro-Beat Hall of Fame.
Yes, I'm the craze, no problem. I craze.
We don't hear the answers.
No problem. We don't
open.
He come with one brother. The brother wear suit too. He be like,
fine guy.
If men wear suit on Friday, Lagos, Nigeria, you go not say they get money. They want share money. They want to do Oga Abiola. God, that thing when they get now.
Only go is the magical amount.
Oga Abiola.
Now your math, you go for
Oga Abiola.
I did.
You be CEO out of
Estilodavida.
Estilodavida. We get like 5 minutes Lagos. You go good morning and listen because waiting they carry comment and waiting go profit each and every one of us when we say love good music and Afrobeat. Oga Obi and Oga Abiola over to now.
Fire.
Man, wow. Yeah. Well, thank God. First of all, thank you for having us.
Thank you very much.
And good morning to everybody in Lagos. I'll say everybody day.
We balance.
Balance, right? So Abiola met me last year, and Jimmy Jat, my
DJ
brother,
Jimmy Jat,
my brother, the legend, called me and said, "There's this young guy called Abiola. There's a place called Amore Gardens in Lekki One. So they say they want to celebrate the legends of African music.
Music.
I said, "Are you for real? Who are these people? Are they serious?" He said, "Oh, but let's go and see." So I met him. We sat down. And when we sat down, not only are they serious, the plan is incredible.
It's incredible.
Wow.
My sister.
So now talk Nadu.
Now die.
Talk Nadu. Okay, Abiola.
Abiola, tell them now. Talk.
They say you get talk Nadu plan for Afrobeats Hall of Fame. Tell us how you want to be.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning,
Lagos. Say last year when we were the reason when they want to induct Fela into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame.
Where we call the vote up and down. Fela versus Tina Turner. Everybody.
Last at the end now, he didn't get in.
He don't get
in. And it just enter our mind say, why would they wait? Maybe people day outside. Maybe they celebrate our own.
You would celebrate our own.
Why we never started to celebrate our own?
Oh yeah.
Afrobeat now our team.
Oh yeah.
This year alone, we have about 4 African artists. We collect Grammy nominations.
Oh, yeah.
2 or 3 of them are Afrobeat people.
Oh, yeah.
It's time make we take this narrative. Make we start to honor the people. We even come before these new ones we will just get. That story of a prophet is never celebrated in his old. It has to change. We say, okay, you know what? Make we come. We sit down at Amore Gardens. We look we decide, say, okay, let us have a Hall of Fame where we go to induct all these great people because many people not even know the history of the music where them did they hear today.
Not be lie you.
Understand? Some people don't know. Say Rex Lawson don't sing. And the baby Sawa.
Hey, Sawa. Oh no, my God, you be. You're not
many people don't even know many of these things. So what thing we come up with this idea for? We say aside from say we they honor these people, we don't contribute so much to this music where we sabi amazibi. We also educate people. Say, look, see where they come from because you not know where you they go if you don't know where you they come from.
So with this one, where you they talk so? No, say no matter they talk all of Fame. Let me say, when I go do a wash show, one. Then I go get museum where we say we call they see the original cassette. Now so it won't be. I want to see original Christian Bekwe or original this thing. Now so it won't be.
Now so it go be.
They get one guy not even talking. Tony Odili. You know Chief Tony Odili, the conga drummer.
Now that guy sabi.
That his drum is 78 years old.
78.
It's a lie.
The drum is the way they play. Now 78 years they play.
Okay.
Wow.
With Rex Lawson, Osita Debe, Oscar Elimbi,
all the wife of them.
All of them. And he's alive and he's going to be there that day.
He go there.
He's 94 playing the drum.
Amazing. So what day now be say with this one? If person like us will be say like a good music, we like our life, we want falling now. How we go falling? Are we supposed to register? How did they do it?
So basically, in a 2-day event, we will take place February 12th and February 13th of this 2022.
Okay.
Where you go buy your ticket and then you go come. You understand? For the events. Tickets will start to sell from the end of this month. Basically, you go feel buy your tickets, you will come, you go feel look all of the distance where they do there. There will be tribute performances, right? Most of the people who will they induct, we go get the younger artists.
We go perform their songs.
When go sing their song.
They go sing their song for them.
So Ruga now fit sing Sonny Ade.
Yeah, you get them.
You don't get them.
You don't get it because you don't feel enter Hall of Fame if you never do 20 years.
20 years.
Of course,
you know they dash.
Of course, yes, nice.
So how that
20 years.
How not vote? Una just do judges and vote. No say it's a bit the judge where we go.
No, you don't say we look list. The first thing we go no say African music they get like 10,000 artists.
Sure.
So even in our list now, we think the people where fit to even move without them. Fela, KSA,
all those Oriental brothers.
Ibris Obe, Oriental brothers, Peacocks, Osadebe. That's just here. Huma Sekila,
Jesu, Miriam Makeba,
Yusuf Ndo. So Angelique Kidjo. Some of these people have gone. They have not been honored. Rex Lawson. You know, Siti Onyekweli. People who are the fathers of the music. Because when you look at everything we do, they touch. But we want to celebrate everybody. And please tell them about the Walk of Fame, because I think the Walk of Fame is important.
So Estilodavida is also coming up with something where they call the Kwamori Walkway of Fame and Musical Fountain.
Oh, nice. The one for Hollywood.
Yes, like the one for Hollywood. And the musical fountain will be the first for Nigeria. You understand? And they located along Freedom Way for Lekki Phase 1. We do one with Lagos State Government, where they give us the place, we go beautify and we they create Walk of Fame where we go they put stars for people within entertainment and arts generally. So once we give them once the nomination process don't they complete, we public don't also pick them, we go put their stars for this Walk of Fame where people go fit, they go around, they look them, just like the one where we get for Hollywood for LA.
I like what they do because amazing people. I like history to be preserved. That's what people are doing with this idea. History. Because many young people say not they read, but if they now come to see these things visually,
you know now,
you
get to use all the channels to bring out.
After the concert now, they still get where the fit go to still enjoy something.
Exactly.
As this our brother Patoranki talk, I say celebrate me when I dey alive. Make una listen to 2 seconds of her, cause we get less than 60 seconds before Football Republic people go come. Make una just listen small, and then when they come back, they go tell una the date again, and I be so fit and participate to take honor all our Afro-Beat Hall of Fame glorious people. Boko.
Celebrate your own. Never forget where you came from. Understand the source. Everything that is happening today came from somewhere. And the thing we say. Now we get him.
Oga Abiola.
Like Oga don't talk. Now we get him. I mean, we need to start selling the narrative how we want make it be, because you know we remain small now. Drake Victon, the Afro-Beat artist.
Not true now.
Everybody don't talk now.
See Shiran, all the sharp.
So make we control the narrative. Make we get that. Make we establish the cultural headquarters here where it's supposed to be.
Live.
Thank you so much.
Bring it home.
Man, not lie. Lagos, Nigeria, but it's one of my first big man interview be this for Obi Asika.
I'm going again on the 12th and 13th of February.
12th and 13th.
Yes.
Before Valentine.
Before Valentine.
Valentine and Monday and
You
Valentine
know the answer now.
If you purchase the tickets from any of the Flutterwave or any of these other places area, you can get it. And on our website too, at www.afrobeatshalloffame.com.
Thank you so much.